Hi all, welcome to the market analysis video for tomorrow. And before starting the video, let's see the what was the result, the stocks which we had discussed last. So we had discussed ICICI Bank. ICICI Bank, there is no trade activated, but if you bought from the bottom, it has taken support from the from our mentioned level. If you have bought from the bottom, you may have booked some good profit. Otherwise, no trade has been activated. Similarly, with the Infosys as well, our this was our target above this level, but market has opened on the our target area. So technically here also no trade has been activated. And the third stock which we had discussed, that is HL. Here we had booked a very good profit, and I had given the stop loss of this high, and booked almost the total rally. And the last stocks which I had discussed, that is MCX. MCX, there is no trade activated. The level are intact. You can add on in watch list for upcoming days. If it is consolidated here for a long, it will be better for us, right? The stock which we had discussed is Polycab. Polycab have break the level and taken support. As I mentioned, there is 3500 level. If you are shorted from here, maybe you book some profit, or you also can short it below 3500 level. You will get the levels for upcoming days for sure. So let's start with the market analysis for tomorrow. Let's start with the Nifty. In Nifty, if you see that it has opened around 400 area, and we have saw a very good profit booking from the top. And now what the possible chance in the market is this trend line. For 15 minutes time frame, this trend line will act as a very good support. Okay, but today's market, it is, I am expecting that from here, I took trade on the HL. I didn't trade any in index, but I am expecting that market can came in this range, then take support, then it will have a very, this support will be very crucial. But although you can say that from here 3 or 4 time market has taken support from this range, so it will be intact on its position. And for tomorrow, this support will work. This support will play a very good role. So below this range, we can initiate our we can get a very good down move for sure. Our first target, but before the first target, there is one important zone. The zone is this area I am marking with these levels. That is zone also can act as a very good support, because it was the resistance. Previously this zone was acting as a resistance, so of course it will work as a support for a while. And below the support, we can get a very good target. Around our target will be this low, this possible low. This is also a very good target for us. Okay, so below the breakdown of this line, 19,320, this zone also connect as support, and below that 19,254 will be our target. And if you are planning for buying, I think US market is totally closed today. So let's see how market momentum, you know we can get a, no, I'm not expecting very good momentum for tomorrow, but let's see. So for buying, I would say wait for this range, because now 19,400 450, this area will market directly given. One thing is happened, that market can make a little bit profit booking. And but here what happened, market in 15 minutes time frame, very good profit booking, very good supply zone from the top. Okay, so this zone 400 450, all these zone will act as a very good resistance for tomorrow. Okay, so if I mark the zone as well, so we will only initiate our long target above these levels, also above this level only. And another thing, if market open flat, and market can take support from here, then given an the next move breakdown, or can retest this all-time high area, then also from here also making double top, then can give a little bit of profit booking from the top. Okay, so this is a simple analysis for Nifty. Let's move towards Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty also similarly 45,400 500, this zone 600, this zone acting as a very good supply area for now. And for now, the this trend line in 15 minutes time frame, similar like Nifty, this trend line is acting as a this trend line will act as a very good support for tomorrow. Okay, so if market open flat or little bit of gap down this 45,100 in this area, we should wait. We should see that market can take support. This is a very good support zone. This zone 45,000 level will work as a very good support. And below, if support this support break, then we can initiate our we can get the further down move. And our possible target would be this area, this 30 zones high. This zone can be tested. Also below this, if you shift your stop loss, then 45,650 to 600, this level might be tested. Okay, and similar thing happened that after giving the breakdown also, I'm not saying you sell directly from here. Wait for this 45,000 range. It is a very important 45,000 psychological number, and it is according to the option chain also, it is a very good support. It can give very good support. So market can came here, and you can also find for intraday basis, you can also find a buying opportunity from this 45,000 level as well, and you can book your profit in this 45,360 to 45,400. In this range you will book your profit. Okay, in this range if you buy from here with a stop loss of, I think, almost 100 rupees stop loss. This candle slow with the stop loss of this, you can get a very good target, 44,200, 250, or max to max 350. In this range you should book your profit, then wait and watch that what market is doing, right? So next to the nifty finance, similar trend line that work in the nifty bank nifty and nifty finance in the same way. This is the trend line which can act as a good support for nifty finance also. Okay, so we'll only initiate our trade below this breakdown of these levels, because here 20,000, this high, this resistance zone is now acting as a very good support. If you see, this zone is acting as a very good support. Okay, so below this range breakdown with the stop loss of this high, we can play for this bottom target. Our target will be this 20,000. This will be our first target, and the second target also you can expect in this below this range. This gap also can be traded. Okay, so this gap, the first target will be this gap, and below 20,000, 388, below 20,295, and the next target will be this 2139. This target can be achieved. Okay, and for buying I would say wait here for a while. If market after it came here, if market takes support, similar like bank nifty, from here you can plan for buying. Or if market came in this range, you can also from here also can find for buying. And if you buy from in this range, market can in any time market can, this is a supply zone, right? Mean anytime market can take a very good profit booking from the top. So that's why I'm saying, let market take a deep and there it is, and then buy with the stop loss from this range. We'll get a very good target for intraday basis. Okay, and let's move toward the stocks. I have few stocks. The first stock which I'm going to discuss, that is Ultratech Cement. In Ultratech Cement, if you see, first see the 1 hour time frame for better understanding. See these levels for adults. Okay, we got the levels. So in 15 minutes time frame, you will find that it is now this is a consolidation area for Ultratech Cement. Okay, and similarly if I also can draw the triangle pattern from here, this is a support area, and from top, this is the area. Okay, so this is the triangle patterns. It is working very well. I think after the breakout of this range, you can get a very good target on the top, and then similarly after the breakdown, we will also get a very good target in the bottom. So if I measures the target, the from the top to bottom, the level will come around above this, around 8550. If the possible target could be the first rejection done, little bit rejection it can take 85,000 levels, and the second target will be 85,500. 85,056, 85,056, this range market can take rejection. Similarly from the bottom also, bottom we don't have to calculate the measure, because after the if the bottom breakdown, this is a support, previously resistance zone, it will act as a very good support. The stop loss of the closing, we can get a very good target, around we should book our profit around 8319 in this area. Okay, it's a simple analysis for ACC, sorry, for Ultratech. And similarly I have two Siemens stock. You should find which is better, wherever you find a better opportunity, you should initiate the trade over there. So why I take ACC? If you see the 15 minutes time frame, it has this trend line is working as a very good support. Also in the from the last day, it has totally consolidating in this area. Okay, and if I mark the resistance zone first, this is the ultimate resistance zone. Okay, if market didn't take resistance from market anytime can take rejection from this in this area. So below the breakdown of this range, if profit booking happen in the metal and cement sector, both ACC and Ultratech, both in both you can find good opportunity. So below this area with the stop loss of 1820, we can get a very good target of 1800 levels for sure. Okay, with the stop loss of this range, with the stop loss of 1820 levels, we will get a very good target. I'm only preferring for buying. You can go for Ultratech Cement, but I'm taking SSC only for selling basis. Okay, there is no opportunity for buying so far. Buying will only initiate above this 1836 level, and I'm just mentioning the level. I think for buying ultratech will be better opportunity. So I have a 1836 level, 1844 to 1848. This range also might be tested above the breakout of 1836 level. Okay, but for selling below this range with a stop loss of this 1820, we will get a very good target around 1800 levels. Very good target. This is an analysis for SEC. You will find whichever suits you. So the next stocks which I'm going to discuss, it is Reliance. In Reliance, if you see the from the top 2620 will be the rejection zone. If you are planning for buying in Reliance, you will only initiate for buying above only this range. But in the 15 minutes time frame, you can see well that it is a kind of pull and flag patterns. It is on the way we are making. So below the breakdown of this level, Reliance is only for selling also. If Nifty shows some profit booking, Reliance can also give a lot of support. So above below this level of 2584, this range with the stop loss of today's closing, these levels, we can get a very good target. The first target that we can get, that is around this candle's low, that is 2573. It's a major support. Okay, so below this range also can be tested. This range like 2550, not 50. In this rejection zone, you can see that this zone also can be tested in Reliance. Okay, we can play after the breakdown of this level, we will get a very good target in Reliance. This 2572 we have to watch in this area. It may also can little bit of support it can give, and below this the directional move will get towards 2550 to 2546. So the next stocks which I'm going to discuss, that is Tata Steel. Where is Tata Steel? Here. Tata Steel, here we will get a very good opportunity. In 15 minutes time frame, we will find that it is taking rejection from this trend line. It has multiple time it has listed and taken rejections. And similarly, if in the bottom as well, it is a support area for Tata Steels. Okay, so what we can do if you see the profit booking in this sector, so below the breakdown of these levels, we can initiate trade in Tata Steel as well, and this 110, this level 110.85 and 110, this level can easily tested in Tata Steels. And similarly, if you are planning for buying also below this trend line of breakout of this trend line, you also can go for buying. Both target you will get, but if you get for buying, there will be multiple rejections, so it will take time. But if we get selling from here, we'll get the very good directional move. Okay, so this will be the first rejection zone where Tata Steel face some rejections, and above that, if it is sustained, then this high also can be tested for Tata Steel. This is a simple analysis for Tata Steel. So the next stocks which I'm going to discuss, that is BPCL. In BPCL, let me first remove the drawings. So in BPCL, if you see that it is given a very good rally from here, and now it is consolidating in this range. Okay, so for better understanding, let's move towards the 1 minute time frame. 1 minute time frame, if you see that it is kind of, this is a rejection zone. Multiple time market has tested this rejection zone. Okay, so above this level of 380, you can initiate trade for upcoming for intraday basis only, and you can find that inverses head and shoulder patterns kind of. Although the right shoulder is a little bit of not on good shoulder, on the way of, it is on the way of making the right shoulder. So for better understanding, I'm drawing the pattern. Okay, so above the breakout of 380, we will get a very good target, and that levels that I'm expecting, let me see the level first. Yes, in this area, we'll get a very good target in BPCL. Above that level, our target will be this level can easily test it 385, and above 385, if it is sustained, the better chances are there. We also can trade this gap. There is gap, so from here, market can take some profit booking. Okay, so this is simple analysis for Tata Steel. About 380, the first target will get around 385 with the stop loss of this range today's closing. Okay, then we can go for 385, and the next target will be 391. This is a simple analysis for Tata Steel. We will only initiate our trade above these levels. With the stop loss, we can give the stop loss of this 378. You can see that this trend line. See, this trend line is working the resistance zone. So above that also, for early traders, you can also take entry above these levels, and with the stop loss of this trend line, you can initiate your trade. We will get a very good target in above zone. So the next stock that I'm going to share, that is Tata Communication. In Tata Communication, you will see that it has Tata Communication from the bottom. Let me see if in 15 minutes time frame. Tata Communication in 15 minutes time frame, it is multiple time it has taken support from this 1520 to 1500 range, and it is in 15 minutes time frame. If you see that it is make of like flag and pole pattern. If you see, this is a pole and this is the flag. Okay, so only above the breakout of this range, above the breakout of this trend line, above the breakout of this trend line, you can initiate your trade in Tata Chemicals, sorry, Tata Communications, and you can play for this 1620 to 1680 level. Let me mark the level 1600 level, and above that the level that is coming around 1674. Okay, so this is above this range you can play, you can get a very good target, and above 1674 also you can play it for swing also, you will get a very good target of this pool. You will see that around 1900 the target is coming. Okay, so if above the breakout in market sustain, you will get a very good target in Tata Communications in upcoming days. You can play it for swing as well. And I have also one stocks which is for swing trading only. You can watch on your watch list, that is LTIM, right? LTIM. uh, if you see in the daily time frame, this stock, if you see that in daily time frame, it is currently trading its in the rejection zones. So only above 5400 level, if you see, this is the rejection zone. Okay, last time it has taken rejection from this area. So I am you can analyze that. You have some time, of course. After 2 to 3 days it might takes. After that, after the breakout of this range, you can get a very good target in LTIM. And the first target is you can get, that is around 6,000 levels, and above the 6,000 levels also you can get a very good target in 6524. This range also can be tested. And why I am saying LTIM is why it has very good potential for upcoming is that after the merger of HDFC Bank, right, HDFC Bank, the value it has in the index, the weight it has in index, it will be reduced, because some of the mutual fund, it has to mutual fund has a rule that they can't have more than 10% stake in particular stock, so they have to sell some stocks. And whereas LTIM, we can get the opportunity, the research say that. So above the breakout this level of 5400 level, you can get a very good target. And LTIM is the LNT and Mindtree, the merger of these two stocks, so you will get a very good target of this range, 6000 and 6524. It will be your target for upcoming days. You can play in cash for for swing trading also, and hopefully you will get a very good target with a stop loss of, if you give the stop loss of this range 5084, or that this candle is low 5100, you will get a very good target. It will also suit our risk to reward ratio, and you will get a very good target of this range. Okay, so that's all for this video. Here we have discussed some stocks for intraday basis, as well as some stocks for swing days, for swing one stock LTIM for upcoming days. And that's all for this video, guys, and I hope you like my this analysis, and I will also share the result tomorrow, whatever I have discussed here. So that's all for this video, guys, and have a good day. Bye.